Taking another hit today in the market. It looks like all the stocks are falling. There's some that are going up, but overall, we are down. So we can see here my net liquidation is $13,793. I'm down $778 on the day today, so it's another red day. The E-mini S&P 500, it dropped at the end of the day here at 5,061. Took a hit of $650 on the day. Copper, we're down 31. Holding steady, and I actually liquidated my T-flow. We'll take a look at that, how that's been able to free up some cash for the moves that I'm going to have to make to save my E-mini S&P 500 positions on the 30-20-10 strategy. And then Tesla, we can see we're down here $1.66 at $155.45, and so I'll give my update on that as well. So just in general today, what we're seeing are consumer companies going up. We see Delta Airlines. Gold is going up. We can see the banks are going up. Coca-Cola is up on the day today. Procter & Gamble, Visa. We can see a lot of familiar names, AstraZeneca, that are gone up today. And of course, many have gone down. We see crude oil going down, which is surprising to me, but it took a dip down. And of course, the E-mini S&P 500 is down as well. So today, I opened up some call positions. It was about $900 in credit. And I'm holding on to those for now, letting them depreciate, trying to collect as much premium as I can. I liquidated my T-flow position to free up some cash, and we can see here right now that I have $6,466 in buying power in this account that I can use to start managing those put spreads on my 30-20-10 strategy. So we can see here on my 30-20-10 strategy, I have a position that's going to be closing in 2 days. That's Friday. And then I have every day after that I need to manage. So it's going to be difficult with the market going down like it is to manage these positions. But I'll let you know what I end up doing managing these positions tomorrow. I plan to roll the 2 days to expiration tomorrow, so I'll give you an update on that and what my plan is for the rest of these positions. So we can see again, the market took another dip down, and we don't really know where the bottom is right now. Again, we're still seeing the price falling. We see that the moving average here is starting to meet the current price here. That's the ADMA. So we are starting to see some settling. We're just hoping that this does not trend down. Like, we don't want the price to hit this ADMA and then continue to go down, right? We don't want to see that reversal kind of pattern there. We want to see the price push back up above the ADMA and start seeing these moving averages transform back to an upward trend. Right now, we're seeing that downward trend that's going to be dragging that 50 moving day. And so we don't want that to happen. We're going to be seeing a long-term pullback here that's going to last months. We can see here that Tesla is basing out right here. It's kind of stabilizing, and we have earnings coming up next week. So we really don't know what we're going to see with the earnings. Has it been priced in already? Are we going to get some positive news here on the earnings report and the earnings call to where we're going to be able to see this stock push back up to new highs? That's what I'm hoping for, but I'm not optimistic at all. I'm pessimistic with the overall market outlook and also just with the stock in general right now. Am I going to be able to see the price correct enough where I can actually get my money back on this position? And right now where I'm sitting, I'm not able to roll my put spreads for a credit. So I'm going to have to get creative on how to manage that when the time comes. I've got 23 days till expiration. I usually manage at 21 days, but if I have to hold that out for a little while longer, then I will, instead of rolling for a credit. Same thing here. I've got 30 days. So that's plenty of time until I need to manage that position as well. So I do have a little bit of time on that 30-day, the 175 put. The 180 here, only a couple more days before I'd normally adjust. And I don't have a whole lot of options on that position right now, besides holding it and waiting for the price to move back up. So with copper, the price is starting to settle here. It's still above the rising 8 EMA, but that's okay. As long as the price is settling here, I think we're starting to see some weakness. It could be basing, but I think we're seeing some weakness here. We want that price to settle down around that 420 and 425. I'd really like to see a touch of that 21 EMA, which hasn't done that in a while, so I would think that we're due for that. This is an extremely hard time in the market right now, especially if you're bullish. The market has turned around. We are seeing a correction. How long is this going to last? We don't know. But the best thing to do right now is to manage the positions, to do damage control, to work to survive through this downturn. And that is my goal, is to do whatever I can to continue to collect premium and buy myself time for the market to turn back around. So I'm a new options trader. I'm on a goal to get a 50% return by the end of this year. And if you want to join me on that journey, hit the subscribe button. If this video was a help to you, hit the like button, and we will see you on the next video.